ke rata go ka le lebogisa re Ramabia gore gape le kgonne go ka fitlela jalo boborogi go tswa ko Shaka Sports le Batshwane Regional Football Association.
Ya ra leboga ntate Rorisang le balatedi ba Garankuwa FM. Go monate gore ntate wa mo motseng wa mo ga a kgone thusa bana ba mo hae. Ke nnete re se thotse sponsorship ke sa 1.2 million rand for 3 years. That is gonna assist the LFAs and the region also to grow to be better than it was before.
Ya no ra itumela re Ramabia ya no bone jaaka ba borogi ba solofela eng go tswa mo go lona le mokgatlo o tsamaisang kgwele dina mo Tshwane.
The expectation from Ntate Shaka ke gore o nya go bona Tshwane e grow more than the way it is gonna be no le go bona di LFA dira di prizes at the end of the season. Because LFAs are playing, teams are affiliating, by the end of the season, a the prize to go to LFA. So he said, let me come in and assist, give these clubs encouragement for at least there's something that they are playing for. Moreover, they are using their money during the course of the season.
Ya no ke dikgantseri monate ya no fa ile gore go ntse ka tselentseng jalo go tswa mo go lona le ba Shaka ba le solofetsa goreng ba ka khona go atolosa kontraka ya lona ile gore le dumelane ka yona.
Yeah, yona e tlo atologa ona re ka so atologi because of the things that we already dira as a region. We are going to have more of events, activities throughout the LFAs. In a way that Shaka is going to expand more. Well, though Shaka, but it's going to grow more. And by virtue of growing more, the region high hula, then le Shaka hula o fita ka mkhwa go dile.
Yeah. Re Ramabia mo bekeng e fitileng ra itso ka go dikantorong tsa lona le dira jalo khogo ya Tshwane Regional Development League Tournament a go re bolelle ka botlalo ka yona le gore go tle ka tselentseng jang gore la kanye project e ntseng jana.
Okay, that. Can I remember TRDL started in 2024. Ili visionary mission was the secretary and the president, Mr. Mkhavini. Let's try to bring this level of a league, ya region, ya development. Promotion is not only about seniors, but let's start this promotion. It's at the development day. Mwana wa under 11, Rankuwa wa go Mabopane. How in a league added to the upper league region. Affiliate that pledge ya go travel from Mabopane out Tamika go Centurion, atoga Mabopane out Tamika go Queenswood, and atamikela mo greening as atamikele mo mmu. So that's what encouraged us. And the other thing was to close the gap between GDPL, GDL league, because there were a lot of teams that were mushrooming Momoting. Diago, GDL, GDPL, unknown teams, because there was no channel of protecting those that are playing the leagues. Because most of the teams that join a GDPL, GDL, nearly the team fell from Momotin, Inali Chele, Demopote, then Bano GDL, GDPL, then Baba Tamika Mohai, Baba Fila Garlibona, they are neglected. Why should I play this formal league whereas I cannot go to GDL? So that's how this league started. Then as it was a pilot project last year, this year we took initiative to approach certain people to assist, to have at least a tournament for this league. Next year it will have its fully fledged sponsorship. But for this year, they will only have this tournament to play just to test and see what is happening. Because there's a possibility that the very same sponsor that is sponsoring now, what that we are partnering with now, might be the main sponsor for the TRDL next season.
Yeah, no. Ke re gantsere monate re Ramabia le dira tiro entle ba gaetso fa le gona go godisa jalo kgwela dinao ka kwano mo Tshwane ra itumela ka tselentseng jalo. Ya no re Ramabia di tlhopha tsele gore di a go fenya gonne ke a itse kgaisano e simolla mo letsatsi la ka moso pele o go bolela gore ba fenyang ba fenyang metshameko ya go diragala go kae.
Okay. Ne re ratile go ka nna le di games tse di tshamekeng Central Fields. But unfortunately, due to go tlhoka di ground tse di na leng bojang mo ka ya rona mo, so re tshwana go re di spread. So re tlo nna le di game ko Mamelodi, re tlo nna le di game ko Martimo, re tlo nna le di game ko Queenswood, Yeah, those were the venues tse re berena le tsona ka osane.
go ne go sa kgonagale gore re ka dirisa gape le ka ko Mabopane kana lebeletse ntlha ya ditlhopha tse di tshamekang metshameko ya regional league ile tsa basetsana.
Why the reeling? This tournament it's again neutral venues. Go ska nna le motho wa ka hostang. And then remember, this league is ka 4 divisions, under 13, 16, 17, 19.
Yeah.
So we need the field for the whole day. So I might be disturbing progress. Those MRL teams that are in preparation now, studying differently, all those things. Then we targeted this field Mamelodi because they've got a lot of grounds. They were able to give us central grounds. Martimo is not playing on Saturday, then they give us a space to play there.
Oh yeah. No right tumela. Ya no ba ba fenya rerama bia gonne ke a tlhaloganya gore makgaola kgang ka mo bekeng e tlang beke ke gore di tlhopha yana di tla beng gisela magofe mo bekeng e tlang ke mo ile gore tla nna le go itse gore dia go tsamaya jang ba ba fenyang ba fitlhela eng go tswa mo boborogeng bo le dirisanang le bona.
As I explained to the teams, for now we are having an REC meeting on Tuesday to approve the finances. Remember when we got this sponsor, we requested a sponsor, then they took long to respond and we couldn't plan going forward. But immediately when they say, no, we are available, we can assist Kadi Jezite for, assist Kadi Medali, then we said, oh, that's a good shot. Then that's where we can start. Now we are having this, then SREC will sit on Tuesday, see how can we add or to add on what the partnership has assisted us with.
Yeah. O tlhalositse gore wa go etela dikolo o go tlhotlhomisa gore batshameki ba tshamekang DL ya rona ka kwano ke ba dingwaga tse di male ba gonne o no lla ka age cheating o gonne go dira seo.
Yeah, ke khonne go dira seo. And those particular teams back really information of those certain players. And the most sensitive thing, this thing you affect in a bigger picture. I believe you understand, like the case that we have now as Safali, Mukwena. You affect the Lutekananka. Roterakatelwa di pointi, Rafainua Chelete, a lot of things are going to happen. So with the findings grading, those particular teams' possibilities are they might lose the points on the games that those particular players play. But provided all those games, teams have complained about that. Remember, if you protest at this game, I cannot punish you at the previous 10 games if there was no complaint on that particular past game.
Oh yeah. Ramabia ke ka moso ra konosetsang gonne Stream B ka mo letlhakore la basadi ya ka ba rona ka kwano mo tshwane ba ba tshamekang ba konosetsa gonne Stream A se fedile mo bekeng e fetileng le se le na le tlhale leng gore metshameko ya di play off e tle go diragala ka yona.
Yeah, we the calendar is there. What is left is for us to look for the team. Remember when the exam. So, engage the team. When we play these playoffs, and we're not going to disturb these kids' preparation at the exam. But the competition committee has done its job. Then by Tuesday, like I said, REC meeting, competition committee will confirm such things or no. We are going to play as planned by the calendar or based on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rosameka this particular date.
Oh yeah. Ke hotlwe gore na le kopano ya REC mo agenda go na le TRDL go na le Tshwane Regional League ya basadi. Ne ke kopa le mo agenda ya lona re Ramabia le tsenye le ntlha ya gore mo president a ka tle ka kwano mo diphaposing kgaso a tlo go retela ba gaetso.
Ntate eo ke communicate le wena ka yona ke utlwile ke tla re tla dila ka yona REC ka labobedi and then the president will avail herself. It's unfortunately these past 2 weeks she's been very, very, very busy. She's been very, very busy. But she will avail herself.
ya gonne ke ne re utlwa dikori tsa borre re batla ya mosadi yaanong wa eteletseng Tshwane re utlwe gore le ena re ke a bona Ramabia gore go a tokafala ke a bona le buile le mo mafaratlhatlheng a tlhaeletsano la streamer yaanong kwa ko YouTube go raya gore sengwe le sengwe se mo motšheng.
If you get the sponsorship is about publicity. So you must go all out to see to it that the sponsor is visible all over. So that is why at the moment they're busy, a streamer busy at the YouTube, little games possibly from the quarterfinals they will be live streamed. Moreover, we got the Buborogi from Department of Sport and Recreation, where they bought us cameras, they bought us equipment to can assist the region to grow, more especially women's football.
Ya no ke di khantsere monate ke bone ke fitileng e bile ne le ba abela dikgwele ditlhopha tsa rona tsa ka kwa mo regioneng ra le lebogisa re Ramabia tiro entle le dirang ka go Tshwane Regional Football Association.
All this happens because of early batho ra berekisana ke. We respect each other, everybody on mo lane ya high ha ona wa tsena mo lane ya omo, then we ended up achieve the goals like this coming Monday re starta ka KFC license in a mixed class. Then Kadi 29 restart a KFC license. Yabo mefela. Because we want to grow these women more Motswane. All these clubs, it's a women's regional league, it's a women's promotional league. Even the coaches, it's a right. Because development it's only development shiman. So if these coaches start studying the qualifications, they've got information, knowledge, they're knowledgeable of what they're doing, then it's going to assist women's football to grow more in Tshwane.
Re Ramabia le mona ko nyetla ra etso ra leboga.
Ke a leboga ntate wa ka.